Okay, so yep, right now, guys, let's start with another trading. Okay, with another trade today. So today we're gonna have a look at the 8th of July one. Okay, so 8th of July. Okay, shit. Why is 8th of July not here? Never mind, it's fine. For 8th of July, I'll just go find in my. Yeah, as you can see here, I do have all my trades. Okay, so July one is basically here, and 8th of July is here. Okay, so lunch. Okay, so it's fine. Today it's not on the YouTube, so today we'll just do it here. Hey, it feels kind of more clearer. Is it more clearer? I think it's more clearer. Yeah, maybe I shouldn't do it on YouTube, right? Like if I have it in my computer, yeah, I'll just do it in my computer. Okay, let's get the epic pen out. Okay, so magic pen. Yeah. What color should we use today? Yellow. Okay, yellow feels like more better. Okay. Yes, let's use yellow. Okay. So without further ado, let's get started. And before I start everything, I always like to see the. I always like to see my trade journal. Okay, so we go search. Yes, guys, you should journal every of your trade. Okay, it's very important. So Tuesday we have no news, and Wednesday FMC minutes meeting. So yeah, we shall see what happened Tuesday. Shit, I did 3 trades. Okay, recording wasn't recorded. Okay, recording is gone. During Wednesday another trade and loss. Okay, so yep, today we overtraded and looks like the recording was gone. So we shall see what do we have right here. Okay, so you can see most probably I did one trade here and the other trade here, and then this is gonna be the third trade. So basically, let's just see what we have lah. Okay, because like this is just like a study, and just see what we will just see what we can see in the chart. Because right now, as you guys can see, right, today is already 24th of September, and this trade review is for 8th of June one. So it's like 8th of July one. So it's like with the current me right now, seeing back last time price, what am I? What can I see? Is there anything that I missed out that time? Yeah, because right now by pausing it the video and having it recorded, I am able to take my time and see, okay, what is it that I'm missing that I didn't see that time that was very important. Okay, so let's get back into it. So basically looking at this chart at the moment, yes, buy side very clean. Okay, so this buy side is basically the okay, shit. Okay, so this buy side is basically, let's pull down here roughly 9 o'clock. Okay, 9 a.m. Okay, and then basically here very super clean buy side, and basically we have been clearing a lot of sell side already, and this is today's new opening range gap below. And yes, right now as you see the time is like 12:06 p.m. So that's why today I treated the lunch hour, and yes, first is already outside my business hour because it's the lunch hour. And yep, basically during the AM session I did 2 trades here already. So this is one thing that made me. So if you guys have been following me, I managed to recover from my drawdown during June. Okay, and during July I popped it back up. So the reason was because I overtrade. Like I lose one trade, then I trade, yeah, overtrade. So every time loss is pretty big because of the overtrade. It's not per trade. Okay, risk per trade is still within control manner. But basically, yeah, So right now, if I'm looking at this buy side too clean, AM's buy side has is where I'm aiming for. Okay, sell side being cleared many times already. Okay, so let's continue. Okay, so looking at dollar higher. Now just looking at this right now. Okay, Dow not being in symmetry. Lower and Nasdaq is in between. So let's continue seeing. Okay, so dollar higher will make it better for lower indices. Okay, and basically I've drawn out this midnight price also. So right now we are above the midnight price lah. Okay, but again sell side cleared many time, and I see this as a market structure right now. This may be a higher time frame market structure, a higher time frame swing low. Okay, yeah, because high and a high and a high, a higher high with two lower highs. So this is a swing high. In ICT, we three candles to us form a swing high. Okay, this like that. Okay, this forms a swing high for us, and likewise this forms a swing low for us. Okay, yeah, this is just a candle. Okay, yep, this is candles. Okay, so three candles together with the middle one forming the lowest low. That is a swing low, and this is a swing high. Okay, a bit ugly, but deal with it. Okay, so right now this buy side is where I'm seeing, but again, right now just okay, dollar higher. Okay, forex at the moment. This is a 15-minute chart. Okay, what can we see here? We cleared buy side here, respected in this fair value gap here, and then constantly keep going lower. Cleared up sell side here. So this might be a potential inversion CV. It might come down here just to go higher. Okay, higher to where? Where's the near term buy side? Near term buy side would be, but actually if we measure here to here, where is the premium? Okay, lunch hour, a retracement is can be expected. Okay, so premium, so this might be the first buy side. Okay, this might be the first potential buy side right here. Okay, but at the moment, look at this fair value gap here. So we are going down lower. So not really what I like to see. But basically, looking at this 5 minute chart, yeah, I understand it can be. There's a lot of lines, you don't know what you're seeing, and yes, I understand sometimes. Okay, but yeah, this is just me trading, and we must always have all the high time frame levels, and that is why there's so many things right here. But at the moment, buy side just looks too clean. Okay, just see here, buy side, highs, buy side. We cleared sell side already, but again here we might have another potential sell side. But here we got a swing low. Okay, we got a swing low here on higher time frame. Maybe the 15-minute chart you can see it's just one candle, one candle, one candle. And right now we cleared the buy side here. It feels like it's rejecting. It might just want to reject into this BC. Okay, it might just want to reject into this BC. Okay, rejecting in this BC because if you see here, we also have a inversion fair value gap here. Bang, bang. Okay, here we might, so we reacting here. I want to see how price is going to react in this BC. So right now we are sitting on our hands. We're not going to do anything. I'm going to see how price, and the best long position will be basically in here. Okay, because we got market structure here. Okay, and the AM session has been just ranging. Okay, it has been just ranging. Okay, look at it. This is ranging, but it has been going lower. Hit sell side. This might be the CE week. Okay, remember there's week, we must measure it. And then so basically right now we're seeing this fair value gap. So this fair value gap coincide with where? With the new opening range gap lower quadrant. So that is where we can see the price support there. Okay, and here we got a 15-minute BC as well. So right now this is what I'm seeing. Okay, basically buy side is left behind. But did I draw a breaker? Okay, so I draw the breaker on the 1 minute chart, low, high, low, and yeah, see this lower quadrant. It's also where the 50-minute BC is. Okay, so note it. So we're just gonna watch. Okay, because Nasdaq look firm to the upside. Okay, measure the dealing range and you can see the below here. Okay, below here we have the CE. Sorry, the equilibrium level, and right here is discount, and then the lower quadrant is level which is with the 15-minute fair value gap is right at where the equilibrium is. Okay, so we continue watching. We should see. Okay, so right now this is a 5 minute chart, and yes, note that we have a fair value gap right here. Okay, note it. This fair value gap, like really important. Okay, this dot is blocking it, right? So I don't know where's the fair value gap. But basically, this here and that fair value gap, we gotta note these two price. Okay, see sell side we cleared many times here, rejection, swing low form, made a higher high, cleared up buy side, respecting this volume balance. So right now feels like we're just retracing into a discount to go higher. Okay, but we're gonna see how price trade here first. That means I'm not gonna enter there if I'm not confident. I'm gonna wait. If price enter there, and also we are below the midnight open. Okay, so just wait for displacement. Remember displacement. So we traded up into this CB here. So I want to see, does this CB act as resistance or does it shoot through? If it shoot through, we can use it as emergent fair value gap to reach higher. Okay, right now this strong rejection to the downside. Yeah, right now no matter how I see it, shorts are just feeling too safe. Okay, but yeah, I can see this sell side here feel really clean. But again, here we got supporting market structure compared to the buy side here. So just waiting right now, to use the first presented fair value gap to go long. Patience is key. Waiting for your setup, that is all really, really important. So now let's wait for the price to close above the first presented fair value gap. Okay, this is the Nasdaq, and Nasdaq also have super clean buy side. Can you see that? But also 1 minute chart. Okay, the whole AM session we have been spooling lower, retracing high. Okay, basically right now I don't know what price is doing, so it just sits still. But watch, okay, watch the first presented fair value gap. And right now I'm getting a feel of what the market is doing. So basically watch this volume balance here. Okay, watch this volume balance here. And the first presented fair value gap, does it hold support? Okay, and this is the 1 minute breaker. Because right now cannot disqualify the idea yet. Because look at here, bodies is still staying inside this CB, so I don't feel comfortable going long there. So see, we cleared sell side here. See this what I mean? On a 15-minute chart is a swing low. But see, all chop, man, ugly, very ugly. Okay, nice displacement, very nice. And you can see basically we close above the first presented fair value gap. So when here trades here, you can basically enter your press your long here. Okay, right now, yes, nice. Okay, so there is a 5-minute C wick. Okay, so basically say no displaces, so we're not gonna do anything. Even though we have like a yeah, so we close above it on the 3-minute. So when it's price traded below, I want it to act as inversion fair value gap. That means support level and reach higher. Okay, so nice. So basically this 3-minute inversion fair value gap here was a very nice entry actually. See here reach higher. Okay, I say it once again. Okay, right now we close above the 3-minute inversion fair value gap. Okay, we close above here, literally closed above it. Okay, so right now I want to see support, and so this enter here, it can be an entry. Okay, that means here can be a long entry. Okay, and basically it's here. You can just enter long here. On 1 minute is a fair value gap here. Stop loss has to be here. Okay, so let's say you enter at 6277. Okay, so right now, yeah, I want to see it starts pulling higher to the buy side, and we are seeing really nice reaction here with Nasdaq and S&P. In symmetry, time will continue pulling higher. Uh, okay, nice. Okay, very nicely. Running higher. And yes, switching for the buy side here. And so from this fair value gap here, with context of the 3-minute inversion series, let's see the reach here. Okay, so basically, yeah, enter here, stop loss has to be below here, so it'll be 2.5 point stop loss. Okay, because right below the C of the new opening range gap also can 2.25, okay, 2.75 also no problem. And reaching for the buy side right now, boom, there we go, 6.5 points. Okay, so 5 points is offered easily, beautifully. Look how I expected it to move. And right now aiming for the London buy side. Okay, there we go. Nice. Okay, -1 level reach also. That will be my second partial. We are still in symmetry. Means dollar lower. Okay, so aiming for this buy side right here. Whoa, nice straight line. Okay, so here is the next buy side level. So it is the London buy side. Here also got another buy side. Okay, so right now I want to see this act as institutional order flow and treasury. That means right now to see the buy side, I want to see price stay here. Support, pew. If can stay unfilled. Okay, drawing lower. Yes, not going to chase it. Very good. Okay, 3 minute we got a BC here. So watch. We count the discount from here to here. Use a Fibonacci. Okay, from here to here, we're gonna be find a discount. Equilibrium. Below that is discount. Okay. So very nice 3 minute. Okay, dollars pulling higher. Not very, not very ideal. So because dollars cooling higher, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take out my another partial and leave just the last one running on if there is. Okay. What? Okay, so we are in this 3 minute BC. We cleared the buy side here, but there's still buy side on top there. Okay, in this fair value gap right now. So see, there's this fair value whole price because this candle here rejected and traded rejected. Immediate rebalance also might be a immediate rebalance on the 5 minute chart here. Okay, this is what I mean here. This might be an immediate rebalance on the 5 minute chart. Okay, on 1 minute chart, CDCV, I want the next time you trade through it, I want to see no respect. Holding this BC right now. Okay, oh, shooting lower. Ow. Okay, okay, bam. Okay, it's pulling lower right now. Back into the breaker here. Okay, where's the breaker? Okay, so this is a breaker. Low, high, lower, low. Okay. On 3 minute, you can see it more clearly. Okay, low, high, lower, low. Here, low, high, low, low. On 1 minute, it's going to be more clear. Okay, so I basically went short because we cleared the buy side. Was there SMT? Where did I draw the SMT? Let's find back. Okay, dollars pulling higher. And 1 minute chart. Okay, Dow higher high. When Nasdaq and S&P lower high. Okay. Confirmed by S&P confirmed by a dollar higher because dollar is going higher. Okay, let's go back. Okay, dollars pulling higher. That's what gives me confidence for Dow, Nasdaq, and S&P. Okay, so this is basically a Dow divergence. Okay, because Dow was failing to make that lower high, it made a higher high. Confirmed by dollar going up. Okay, so that's why we can confirm it. If it's bearish, then you see the highs. So that's basically telling me at the moment we might have topped up first because of this displacement right here. And this displacement is basically what made me trust the trade lah. Almost there. Okay, right now we can continue back. Okay, yep, spooling lower. Yeah, traded back to the first presented fair value gap. Yeah, and you can see the fulcrum point from where. From here to here, I measured it Fibonacci and you get the 1.25 level. It's literally here. It's literally, okay? Literally, okay? Let's see where I measure it. I think I measured it before. Yes, here. Here is where I measured from here to here. Yeah, just to show you guys, I did all this beforehand, okay? It's not cherry picking anything. Okay, so the 1.25 level is here. So what's the high of this candle? The high of this candle is literally 628.75, okay? So that's where I measured it. And that's why when we form a CV here, market structure shift fair value gap, I decided to enter short here. Okay. So as market pops in, boom, there goes my entry, and dollar look like in symmetry. Looks like we're in symmetry, okay, right now. Nasdaq's fair value gap, S&P fair value gap, dollar BC, so looks like we're in symmetry. Okay, but we got stopped out instantly, and yes. Okay, so got stopped out within what? Enter here, I got stopped in the next minute. Okay, so minus 36.75. Okay, and basically what was that is because, okay, so basically that was today. Okay, so yeah, you guys cannot see my other trades, but you know what, we will just leave it to that, and we'll straight away jump into, okay, and we'll straight away jump into the after trade feeling right away. And yeah, I believe I break a lot of rules, especially over trading today. But basically, just now that last trade that I took, it was a good one. Okay, dollar, everything was in symmetry, so it was good. But it's just that I strayed from my trade idea. Because buy side was where I was aiming only. It was the only clean one, but it displays lower, and then they tell me that, okay, you might want to go lower. But overall, the trade entry and the reason to enter, because we had displacement, it was all good. Okay, so yeah, that's it for the trade review. You guys have a look at my after trading thoughts, and then we're gonna close this. Today I lost $33. So yesterday I also lost $20. So back into the drawdown. But drawdown is slingshot. So that's it. I'm not worried about it because, as I say, it is a tough session. Okay, I was really being as patient as I can, but I still got stopped out. When I feel like the trade lost the plot, I just closed it. Did hesitate a bit, but I still follow my rules and closed it. So that's it for today's review, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. I did another trade, and yeah, got stopped out, and yeah, so today total I lost $49.25. So yeah, but it's three trades, all three trades within the 500. Anyway, so that's it. Yeah, today a little extreme again. So because at the 12:50 macro, I was in a large hour and price reached for the buy side, like literally as how I expected it to. I say after the 3 minute, if we can close above the 3 minute CB, we'll have inversion trend again and we'll start popping higher, and we did pop higher to clear buy side, touch the 1.25 level retracement with dollar having confirmation because it was from upside, and Nasdaq formed a swing high as well, so we got the S&P. So that was what gave me the confidence to trade. But yeah, anyway, it still doesn't take away the fact that today's a tough week. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. So see you guys in the next trading video.